Rich Dad Poor Dad, a mindset that will change your financial life. Intro, calm, intriguing tone. This book has changed the lives of millions around the world. Did you know that the rich don't work for money? They make money work for them. This book teaches you exactly how. Scene 1. The Two Dads. This book tells the story of two men. The rich dad, a smart, practical entrepreneur. The poor dad, a well-educated man, stuck in the cycle of waiting for a paycheck. Both worked hard in life, but only one built wealth. The other lived in fear, stuck in debt and routine. Scene 2. Financial lessons. Rich Dad said, "Financial education makes you rich, not your salary," he taught. Assets are things that bring you money, like rental property or a business. Liabilities are things that take money from you, like a car loan or a mortgage for a house you live in. Scene 3. Golden lessons. He also said, "Poor people work for money. Rich people learn how to make money work for them." That's the biggest mindset difference between the two. Scene 4. Conclusion. If you want to change your life, learn how money works. Create assets that earn for you. Stop spending your whole life chasing only a salary. This book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, is a life lesson, one they never teach in school. Call to action, energetic voice. If you want financial freedom, this is a great place to start. Have you read this book? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more lessons that help you grow your money and mindset.